Hi, this is Jonathan from La Tienda. Today I'm going to show you how to make a bocadillo sandwich. This is a very simple sandwich in Spain, so it's really important that you have great ingredients. All of the ingredients are right here in front of me. We have great bread, manchego cheese, extra virgin olive oil, and sliced jamón serrano. So first, we have this bread, which is from Galicia. We bring it in, it's partially baked. All you have to do is put it in the oven and bake it for around 10 minutes, and it is amazing. So let me show you. I'm gonna cut open a piece. So it has a really nice crisp crust, and the interior is nice and light. It's one of our favorite products. At this point, we just put a little bit of olive oil on there. Adds a little flavor and a little moisture. I've already sliced some manchego cheese. This manchego cheese is from a tiny town called Portuna in middle of La Mancha. It's made by a family that they only use fresh milk from local sheep. So I just put some slices on there. And then finally, we're going to put on some jamón serrano. This jamón serrano that I just opened is sliced from all natural hams that we import from Spain. We slice them here at our warehouse. Well, not here, this is my house. The warehouse is still working though, slicing jamón serrano, and each one is interleaved, so it's really easy to separate. And this is aged for at least 18 months. So I'll put a couple of nice big slices on there. Maybe one more. All right. Then all we do is fold the bocadillo in half, and that's it. Very, very simple. But if you don't have the right ingredients, it's not going to be that great. I'm going to cut mine in half here. We're all spending a lot of time at home right now, so having something like this, something a little different, adds a little bit of fun to your day. Buen provecho.